Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick comparison of the Coach Ruby 18 Satchel and the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. Now you can see the size difference in these two bags right here. The Speedy 20 is of course a lot larger, and the Ruby Satchel 25 is definitely larger than the Speedy 20. I have seen comparisons of the 25 and the Speedy 20 on YouTube, so you can check out those videos. But there you have the two. Here's a side view. Top. Sorry, my hand is in the way. Let's change that angle. Top view of those, and bottom view. See that? Now my Speedy 20 is still fairly new. I've only carried this one time, which is why the vachetta is so light, and it was only for about an hour because I only ran someplace quickly and I came back. But these are my two bags. If I had to pick a preference, the size of the 18 would be more my size. Now I have shown this comparison against my Nano Speedy. This is larger than my Nano Speedy, but I think that this is closer to the, no, the newer Speedy is actually, the newer Nano Speedy is actually not that much bigger than the older Nano Speedy. But ideally, this would be the size that I would prefer if I was to get something in a Speedy bag. But I do love this bag in comparison to my size 25, and I will get my 25 quickly. Oh, some stuff fell off my shelf. Let's get that quickly so I can show you guys these side by side. You see that? So of course this is considerably much larger of a bag, but definitely the difference is obviously one is leather. This is all leather, glove tan leather, and this is canvas, and only the vachetta and the piping is leather. So depending on how carefree you want a bag, I do think that the pebbling on this bag is prone to wear. I've shared that in a previous video that as time goes on, the detail in this pebbling will not be as prevalent. And you can see, you probably can't really tell, but on the edges of the bag there, it's smooth, or it's starting to smooth out. Now I'm not sure if that's because when Coach made these bags, trying to do the corners of the bag, that the pebbling is a lot smoother than the rest of the detail on the bag. But nonetheless, still gorgeous for both bags. Alright, so looking on the inside quickly, I do have my strap to this. I do love that the inside of this has that pop of color. It is so beautiful with the red. And the inside of this bag, let's take out the strap as well. The inside of this is, it's still orange, but it's more like a microfiber suede. A little bit on the rust, a darker color. So it almost kind of looks like brown, but it's definitely like a rust color, if you can see that. It's beautiful nonetheless, you guys. So very spacious. The opening is still fairly easy to get into because it is leather. And then the zipper does come around to the side like that. So the good thing about the Speedy 20 bag is that the opening does come to the side. And I definitely think that this is a much better improvement over the size of the Speedy 25 bag, because this bag to me, it's just too large, you guys. You can see that. The Speedy 25 is just too large in my opinion. It's a nice bag for those who carry that much on a daily basis. I don't. So my preference would be one of these two. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about either of these bags, definitely leave it down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.